Welcome to the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. Today I'm going to show you some healthy substitutes for foods that I've struggled with on my journey, and maybe you have too, and I'm going to show you how you can break those habits.
Whole food, plant-based, it's the best thing for our taste. So pull up a chair and grab a plate, 'cause it's the all-free whole food plant-based cooking show.
So, for the first substitute I'm going to show you is for corn chips. I am a corn chip junkie. I just love them. And I found these Just Beets. I've showed them on another one of my shows. I think it was a Trader Joe's haul because it comes from Trader Joe's. And it's literally just beets. There's no oil, no salt, no nothing. It's just dehydrated beets. And they're super, super crunchy. Great. I love to eat them with some hummus. And that is my go-to snack for crunch. And that has definitely helped me get past my corn chip phase. Soda, that was one of the first things our family wanted to cut out, and that was really before we went plant-based. And we discovered this Synergy kombucha. And I mean, it is a health drink for sure, but the one thing that it has that helped us get past the soda is fizz. It's really fizzy. So it makes you feel like you're still drinking a soda. It's just slightly sweet. And this is my favorite flavor, Passionberry Bliss. But not all stores have this particular flavor. They have a lot of other flavors, but this one I've only found in one store here in North Carolina, and I just go to that store all the time and get this particular one. And I also have a recipe if you want to make your own kombucha, and I'll leave that in the links below. My next thing is coffee. I also love coffee, but I know that it's not the greatest thing for me. So I found this Creo brew, and what it is, it's ground cacao bean, or it says cocoa beans, but it's the raw cacao bean that they grind up into chunks, and you brew it kind of like tea. You can use a French press, and it's got a light chocolatey flavor, and it's kind of got some of that bitterness that coffee has. And I mean, mainly I just drink coffee for the warmth and for the comfort of it. I don't really drink it for the caffeine because eating a plant-based diet, I think I have plenty of energy. But I know that, you know, coffee is something I should work on, and this really helps me to cut back on that a little bit. And it tastes great, and I'll give you a link below. I buy it from Amazon. Granola bars. Now, granola bars, good and bad. There's a lot of granola bars out there, but there's so much sugar in them, whether it's rice syrup or honey or just plain cane sugar or evaporated cane juice. They use all these fancy words for sugar. So they tend to be more like a candy bar. I mean, they have just so much sugar in them. It's the same thing as a candy bar. And for our kids, you know, they really loved granola bars. So we were looking for a healthy alternative to, you know, pack in their school lunch, or if they were going somewhere for a snack. We found Lara bars. And I also have another show if you want to make your own type of Lara bars. I'll give you the link below for that. But if you need something that's just like quick to pick up in the store, some of them, trying to think, I think there's one that still has milk in it. I think the chocolate that they use has milk in it. So you really still have to read the labels and make sure that they're minimal ingredients that you agree with. This one just happens, this is the peanut butter cookie, and all it has in it are dates, peanuts, and sea salt. Great. I mean, there's still, you know, it's very sweet because of the dates, but dates is a whole food. So the sugar doesn't impact you quite the same way as refined sugar. So, you know, it's still a good snack for between meals just to get you through. So I hope these suggestions will help you on your journey if you're just getting started, trying to cut back on some of the food addiction things. And if you haven't noticed, the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show t-shirt, if you want to get yourself one, there's a link below to our website if you want to get one. And I'll see you next time.